Also, Judge, it looks like there's one person, Lionel Jr. on here, and I'm gonna be submitting a dismissal uh, for that.
What is? What's the person's last name?
Junior?
Do you have a? Oh yeah. Oh, okay. I see it. Okay. All right. We're on the record in County Court at Law Number 2, Jefferson County, Texas, for the arraignment document scheduled at 9 a.m. on today's date of August 3rd of 2021. The court has just concluded the arraignment docket. Now the court will proceed to bond forfeitures. First case is cause number 329382. The case is styled of State of Texas versus Juan Coronado. Mr. Juan Coronado was scheduled to be in court for the arraignment docket. Oh, excuse me. He also has a second case, and that's cause number 329386. Mr. Juan Coronado was scheduled to be in court for the arraignment docket for both of these cases on today's date of August 3rd of 2021 at 9 a.m. At or about 9 a.m., Mr. Coronado's name was called by the court's bailiff at the courthouse door. He did not answer. Mr. Coronado has not appeared in court since the court has been in session since 9 a.m. And the time now is 11 a.m. on today's date. Mr. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Juan Coronado?
Juan Coronado. No response, Your Honor.
Juan Coronado's name was just called again by the court's bailiff at the courthouse door. Mr. Coronado did not answer. A reasonable time has passed to give Mr. Coronado an opportunity to appear in court for the arraignment docket. He has not appeared. State, do you have a motion?
Yes, Your Honor. The state would move for a capias and a bond forfeiture.
Okay. That motion will be granted. Juan Coronado's bonds in cause number 329382 and cause number 329386 will be forfeited, and a warrant shall be issued for his arrest in both cases. We're on the record in cause number 329648. The case is styled of State of Texas versus Marcus Renard Hubbard. Mr. Marcus Hubbard was scheduled to be in court for the court's arraignment docket at 9 a.m. on today's date. His name was called at about 9 a.m. by the court's bailiff at the courthouse door. Mr. Hubbard did not answer. Mr. Hubbard has not appeared in court since the court has been in session since 9 a.m. And the time now is 11:13 a.m. on today's date. Mr. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Marcus Hubbard?
Marcus Hubbard. No response, Your Honor.
Marcus Hubbard's name was just called again by the court's bailiff at the courthouse door. Mr. Hubbard did not answer. A reasonable time has passed to give Mr. Hubbard an opportunity to appear in court for the arraignment docket. He has not appeared. State, do you have a motion?
Yes, Your Honor. The state would move for a capias and a bond forfeiture at this time.
That motion will be granted. Mr. Hubbard's bond will be forfeited in cause number 329648, and warrant shall be issued for his arrest. Now, we're on the record in cause number 329944 and cause number 330122. Both cases are styled of State of Texas versus Asim Jamal Abbas. Mr. Abbas was scheduled to be in court on today's date for the court's arraignment docket at 9 a.m. Mr. Hasim's Abbas bondsman was not entered into on the second case, which is cause number 122. However, his name was entered on the first case, cause number 329944. Mr. Asim Hubbard's name was called at the courthouse door by the court's bailiff at 9 a.m. because he was scheduled to be here at 9 a.m. He did not answer. The time now is 11:15 a.m. on today's date. Mr. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Asim Jamal Abbas?
Asim Jamal Abbott. No response, Your Honor.
Asim Jamal Abbas' name was just called at the courthouse door by the court's bailiff. He did not answer. Reasonable time has passed to give Mr. Abbas an opportunity to appear in court. He is not appearing in court. Therefore, State, do you have a motion?
Yes, Your Honor, the state would move for a capias and a bond forfeiture at this time.
Okay, the motion, that motion will be granted in cause number 329994. However, it will not be granted in cause number 330122 because the bondsman was not entered into the case, into this second case, and so he wasn't given notice on that one. However, the motion will be granted in cause number 329994. Warrant shall be issued for his arrest, and the bond will be forfeited in that case. And this will conclude the calling of the court's arraignment docket in County Court, Law Number 2, Jefferson County, Texas. Judge Terrence L. Holmes presiding.